Okay, welcome to The Good Plate. Today we're going to learn how to cook beets in an Instant Pot. Now, as you can see, these beets are large, and you have to, the Instant Pot depends on the mass of the food. So yes, we're talking about science. This is a wonderful thing. Okay, so here we have a representative beet, and we have a ruler. And if I look at this ruler, what I need to find out what the circumference is. This round. Now, I don't have my tape measure, otherwise I would use that, but I don't have it. I couldn't find it this morning, and I said, oh, this is a good idea to teach some math. Remember geometry class? Okay, here we go. So this one is about, we eyeball it, it's a little under, it's about 5 inches. So what are we going to do? We're going to say 5 times pi. And pi is a constant in mathematics. And as you know, we do the Pi Day every year, which is March 14th. So pi is 3.14. So you can estimate this, because it doesn't have to be precise, but you can estimate this as 5 times 3, which is 15. So the diameter of this, well, plus 1, 4, it actually comes out to be 17. I did it on the calculator. Anyway, that's how you do this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put these into the Instant Pot, and we will set them for a certain amount of time per beet. A 9-inch circumference beet takes 30 minutes. Now we've determined that these are 17. So we're going to put these at 45 minutes in the Instant Pot, and they will turn out just absolutely perfect. You can check the website for the chart. Okay, that's it.